Earlier this week, we asked you what you thought this print was for. This is part of our 3D printed solution to a problem that was literally happening on our floors. Hey, welcome back to the channel. We have wood floors, but I love the feeling of carpet rugs. But so does this pretty girl right here. She doesn't like the camera. And here's the other part. It looks simple, but the reason it exists is the important part. She likes clawing at the rug, even though she has a cat tree with scratch and post right there. So clearly the issue wasn't the lack of scratchers. It was the type of scratcher. She doesn't want vertical posts. She wants something on the floor. So that's what I designed for her. So let's get to it. After drawing out the design and creating a test print to make sure it connects properly, I designed a simple frame with sides that flared out so it doesn't tip while being used, adding a slot for the cardboard insert, which will slide in nicely, sit flush, and will be able to be replaced when it's destroyed with ease. We printed it on our Endermax Neo FDM printer with a pretty blue PLA Plus filament, and made the walls thick enough so it wouldn't flex while being used. Each piece took about 11.5 hours with slightly different endings. Stringing is inevitable in 3D printing. Just take a torch to it to clean it up. Then take the two parts and fit them together like puzzle pieces. Now I put the cardboard insert in, make sure it's flush, make sure it won't fall out. And now for the moment of truth. We put it down in the exact spot where the rug gets scratched and waited. And within seconds, she went for it, which is basically the best possible outcome, except she only tried it once and then just continued to sniff it. Trying again, using different tactics, she still didn't want to use it for her claws. So we brought in our other cat, and within seconds, he was actually using it as expected. Only thing is, he actually doesn't have any front claws, but his reaction was hilarious. The scratching stayed on the cardboard, the frame stayed in place for the most part, and the rug stayed untouched. If we make a version 2, we'll test different sizes and different cardboard types to see what lasts the longest. So now you know what this print was for. Let us know in the comments on if your cat likes flat scratchers like this one or scratching posts. And if you like this design or what you'd change about it, because this might not be our final version. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.